Hello and welcome everyone. This is Jugal Bhatt from Team Full Stack, and this is a submission. So what we basically have created is a project called CodEd, and it makes things easier for both students as well as teachers by introducing live code share and features as such. So first, let's log in as a user. Like I'm a basic user who wants to do some course on this website. So I would log in as a user, enter my credentials, select the type user, and click on login. So when I click on login, this is some sample courses that we have created at first. And similarly, let me log in first using uh, instructor. So I have used the same email for both. That doesn't matter. You can use multiple emails or different emails, whatever you want to. I'll enter my credentials for the instructor account as they are a bit different. I'll select instructor from over here and I'll click on login again. I'll click on don't save. And as you can see, there are only one difference between the login of user and instructor. There's no course, like create course button over here, but there is one on the instructor side. So let's create one course first. Let's say test, let's say test course. Let me just mute my Discord and get back to it. So this is the test course that I'm going to create. Some test description, and let me keep the course price as 500, 5,000. Let's say 500. That doesn't matter. This is a test thing. So I created the course with the description, the name, and if I go over here on the user side, the user side, and if I refresh, I will be able to see a course over here, but there are no lessons as of right now. So I'll go on to the instructor side, create a lesson. Let's name the lesson Hello World HTML. And the lesson description would be Hello World text. Easy. And I'll click on HTML and CSS and I click on create course. So let me just stop my video because it wouldn't be able to take my video from there. And when I click on this, I need to allow it to record my video. And as you can see, this is the live feed coming from my webcam. And I can type anything I want over here in HTML, and there is that syntax highlighting. So we have implemented this as well in our project. Now there's this recording button, play pause. So let's go on the recording. So when I click on recording, it would start my recording of my code the exact way I write and in the exact speed that I have written it in. Let me create a sample HTML hello world thing, hello world. And as you can see, it comes live over here as and when I type it. Let me add a p tag as well, some para, and let me close the p tag. And eventually I will need to end the HTML tag. So there is that autocomplete as well. So this is my video being recorded, some para over here. If I change something over here to some gibberish, it's also being recorded and you can see the live thing over there. Let me stop recording. It will take my video and it will post it to the server, which we have created in order to make sync the video with the recording that we are doing. So yeah, and I can see my recording as I did it over here, like HTML, whatever I'm typing is coming over here. So I'll pause it over here for now and let me switch on to user side to show you something interesting. I'll refresh this page and as you can see, I got that course which I just created from the instructor side. So I'll click on hello world.html. This is the instructor as you can see over here. Now I will go mute and you will be able to hear the voice of this instructor speaking when I click on play. And another cool feature is that I can type in over here as well. And whenever the instructor is typing, I can pause his code and make some changes and see my live changes over here so that I can explore some new features. So when I click on play, exact speed that I have written it in, create a sample HTML hello world thing, hello world. And as you can see, it comes live over here as and when I type it. Let me add a p tag as well. So I pause the instructor. Let's say I want to add another h2 tag that he taught in some different class, but forgot to show me how. When I do that, I can do this and it applies over here as live text. So that's pretty much it about HTML and CSS. And you can see my live changes being done over here. So now let's hop on back to the instructor side and I want to show you another cool feature. So when I go back to the lessons and I click on create lesson, you can see that there was languages. So let me make a language of C++, C++. I'm running short of time. Let's create a course of C++ over here. And as you can see, we have more than 47 different languages, and we have set up compilers for each and every one of them working on our server day in and day out so that you can get the code on your thing. So I'll allow my camera again. And as you can see, there's this plus button, run button over here. So I'll show you what this does. Let me start recording quickly and I'll type in some basic C++ code, IO stream using namespace std, initialize the main, and let me have a for loop over here. And I equals to 0, I less than 100, I plus plus, C out, I end line. Yeah. So I recorded everything and let it get uploaded to the server. By that time, I was talking about the compiler, right? So this code is being compiled on a server, and as you can see, the output over here is really great, and the video was successfully uploaded. So we can move on to the student side for now. Yeah, this is the student side. So when I go back over here, I can see the C++ course which I just created again. I can see the instructor. Now I will go shut and let this instructor speak for himself, and I will play now. Okay, now I just paused this video right now. So let me show you that we are not hard coding it and we are actually running it in a compiler. I'll do something like I plus 10 times 5. So, and I will end the line. So it will print the thing according to this. It will not print from 1 to 100. It will print according to this. So let's say I'm a student and I want to explore this feature or explore something new in the language which I'm learning. So I can do it this way as well. So as you can see, it spat out the code like this over here in the exact way it should have. So yeah, that is pretty much it from my side. And we have uploaded actually 2 videos, one explaining the presentation plus the demo, and this is just the demo. So I really would love that if you guys would go through the demo as well, so that presentation demo as well, so that you can see exactly what our future prospects and business model and our UI and everything are. Yeah, thank you guys.